This video explains the law of exponents, the product rule, and some examples. What is an exponential form? It is an easier way of writing repeated multiplications by the same number. For a is not equal to 0, where a is the base. The base is the number to be multiplied. A raised to m is the exponent. The exponent tells how many times the base is multiplied by itself. It is also called the index or power. The product rule. To multiply powers with the same base, add their exponents. Let's say a raised to m times a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. Let's have an example without using this rule. Say 2 raised to 4 times 2 cubed. In expanded form, this means it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, quantity times 2 times 2 times 2. In exponential form, this is 2 raised to 7 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 to be multiplied by itself. And the value of 2 raised to 7 is 128. Applying the product rule, using the same example, 2 raised to 4 times 2 cubed is copy the base and then add their exponents. 2 raised to 4 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to 7 and is equal to 128. Some more examples. Number 1. In x raised to 5 times x raised to 8, the base are the same. In multiplication, add their exponents. Copy the base and add their exponents. X raised to 5 plus 8 is x raised to 13. Another one. Quantity of 2a raised to 4 times the quantity of 3a raised to 7. A raised to 4 and a raised to 7 have the same base. Copy the base and add their exponents, that is a raised to 4 plus 7, and multiply their numerical coefficients 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 is 6 and times a raised to 11. One more example. In 3 squared times 3 raised to 4, they have the same base. Add their exponents. 3 raised to 2 plus 4 is 6, which is equal to 729. Other laws of exponents are also available in this channel.